This is the new Godox X3S TTL wireless flash trigger. What's inside the box? Godox X3S flash trigger, USB-C charging cable, and a storage bag. With a high-definition OLED screen, offer a high-contrast display and rapid refresh rate for an incredible viewing experience, perfect for both indoor and outdoor shooting. With a TTL mode and manual mode, whether you prefer the simplicity of TTL mode or the precise control of manual mode, the X3 empowers you to switch between them quickly. Touchscreen control functionality. Navigate effortlessly when controlling your lights. Easily change your setting by a touchscreen, adjusting power with a simple swipe and touch, or the use of the rotating dial. Seamless connection. Utilizing the advanced 2.4 Godox Wireless X system, the X3 enables effortless and reliable management of the Godox lighting setup. With a built-in battery, quick charge, and always ready, the X3 swiftly charges from 0% to 100% in just 2 hours. The standby time is around 7 days. It can work for 5 days plus operating time, totaling 6,600 flashes. Last but not the least, compact and portable. Design is so small that can fit in your pocket. For more info, you can check my full review at my YouTube channel, Hobbies and Collection.